Hey guys, I'm here, and Chris Little. It's like about, if you could see it, it's 2 of 1, or yeah, whatever. Right now, my little brother has a stick with him right here. He's coming. Get my Nerf gun out. Hold on, Mama. Wait. What about my Nerf gun? Big Nerf gun. Hey, put your hands up. That's not gonna do anything. But Nerf gun can do something. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Shoot it.
Oh, I shoot it. Psych, Allah. What are you doing, man? I'm making a video, y'all.
Now shoot.
Now to shoot this, what are you doing?
I
You're aiming at tingling. You don't. Give me some breakfast. Give me some breakfast. Hey, don't touch my gun, I said. Bitch, put that. How much I say? Put this gluey gun back where it was. You won't freaking listen. And he's gonna cry because I hurt him. Then he's gonna say, "Mommy, I'm gonna hit you on pee-pee." And shoot me with the Nerf gun. If he shoots me with the Nerf gun, I swear I'm gonna punch him in the freaking stomach. I swear I'm gonna punch you in the stomach if you shoot me with one bullet. Yeah, shoot me. I'll freaking hit you in the stomach. Shoot my hand. If you shoot the camera, I swear. Shoot the camera, I freaking swear. Okay, wait, I'm freaking smacking you right now.
No.
It's jammed anyways.
Mama.
You look. Let's put the gun back.
No.
Bye. How am I taking the gun? Let's see if this actually works. If not, no, it won't work. What's up, birdies? Hi, birdie. What's up, my bird? Oh shoot! This is okay. Okay. Oh, cool. What is that birdie doing? What's up, my birds? Yo, why are you scared of the camera, yo? Why you gotta be scared? Bluebird? Let me show you guys a good view. I can't. Okay. Oh god. You'll be flying everywhere. The green one's calm, but the blue one is not. I do not like that. I do not like you guys. If you don't guys to calm down. Whenever I put my hand in it, he gets all crazy. Oh god. My best friend is kind of scared. We used to have another blue one, but he died. Once he was a little kid. He once died by a cat, but then he It's like, these guys are crazy. Look, this guy just get crazy and then he hits something and then it knocks down. Look, and then he poops everywhere. Look at this. This piece was supposed to stick to a wall or something. Like this. But somehow he knocked it out. Oh shoot, yep. What's up, green? I'm gonna get your blue friend. I'm gonna get it for you guys so better view. Oh, green, whatever. Which kind? Oh, I'll get the green one if I can. Oh, come here, blue. Oh, this blue one could fly. Crazy. Oh, snap. It will take me a few seconds. Just wait. Okay. Okay, guys, I got a green one. Ow, 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 ow. Yep, I got a green one. He doesn't really fly, but the blue one does. Because we have to trim his wings, so he won't be able to fly. Oh, snap. Okay, here's a good view. Oh, I'm going to demonstrate. Oh, shoot, he has nothing. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate his wings. So, his wings are like, okay. Would you stay still, please? Ready? He won't stay still. Come on. Okay, so, right. His wings are like this. Do you see it? He's like, I believe I can fly. So he's still.
Can he try on me? Can he try?
Hey, he's calm. If you don't make that much noise. Oh, stop! No, Mikey, don't do that! Don't do that! He just wants to get back in. Oh, snap! I hate when he does that. Okay, so yeah, feathers sort of get mixed up. Oh. No! He won't let me go back in. Oh, stop! No, come on! No. Okay, go. Run again. Oh, I just hate when he does that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got him. No, wait, I got him. Whoa, right now. We having big trouble. Put him back in the cage. Yeah. And I think something pooped on me. Okay. I'm trying all my hard. This thing's... Is it you or is it me? Yeah, it's the cage, I think. Yep, it's the cage. Okay, come on. Ready? Just gonna be on that for the rest. Oh, snap. Something just jumped on. That's a lizard. Okay, stay. Come on. You got Eugene! Come on. He's like, I wanna stay out here. But no, you won't survive here. There's a lizard. Mikey, open the door. Brett, you're gonna get hurt. Okay, Mikey, open the thing. What the? Come on! You burned. Yo.
I know what to do.
No, don't. Watch out on his feet.
Stick with his feet out.
No. Get the freaking out of that stone. Oh, God. I hate this.
There's a cat.
Come on. Get back in. I think it's Sarah's cat. Come on. The cat ate the bluebird that I was talking about before. Come on. Can you please get it? Please, I don't want you to get that. Okay. Blue one. Let me try to get the blue one. He might. Yep. We have to trim his freaking. Okay. Like, can you hold the camera?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sweetie. Oh, God. Oh, my. Okay, he's crazy. And can you shut the heck up? But this one is freaking crazy. It's like, yeah. Oh, my God. Come to me, but okay. This will be. Oh, God. He's gonna mess up his wings. You should be calm.
Get the.
I'm ready. Set. Go. Oh snap. Oh, I almost had him. Right. If you guys can't
Get the green one.
I already got the green one. I want to show them the blue one. Oh, God. Come here. I'm trying to be nice to you.
You have to be a bench.
Yeah, I'm trying to be a branch. Look, I'm trying to be still.
I think because of that color.
Oh, land on my hand. Okay, ready? Okay, Mikey. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna pause this. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. Fortunately, we cannot get the bird, but Mikey got his tail. It ripped off. And the bird is bleeding right now, I think. And yeah, I've got his feathers. I don't know how much he got his feathers. It just ripped off. Look, now his tail looks ridiculous. Oh, it looks like he's pooping. And let me see something.
Let me see something.
Let me scare him. Hello, can you respond? Can you hold the camera, please?
Yes, Mama. Right. This is my Nico.
I scratched myself again.
Hold the camera.
What?
What the? The thing is up there again.
What?
The lizard.
It's this side now.
I know.
Oh my god, you walked
No, get this with the toy.
Wait, give me the toy. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Back off, you chicken. I'm bleeding already. Oh shoot, I am bleeding now. Okay. So now it looks ridiculous on him.
I didn't even turn on the camera.